How to log into TikTok account in another phone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about whether it is possible to transfer your TikTok account to a new phone. So if you've gotten a new phone and you want to switch devices, don't worry, you won't lose your videos or followers. So watch this video to the end to learn how. First, take your new phone and open the Play Store or App Store and simply search for TikTok application. And from here, go ahead and install it on your device. Once it is installed, simply open it. On the login page, you will see several different options depending on how you originally created your account. So if you've signed up using your Google, you can tap on Continue with Google in the button below the Continue with Facebook option and select the Google account linked to your TikTok. And if you used Facebook app, tap on Continue with Facebook and follow the steps to log in. And if you've registered with Apple ID, you can continue with Apple as well and complete the prompts. And you can also go ahead and if you've signed in with your phone number, email, or username, tap on Use Phone, Email, or Username option and simply go ahead and enter it over here. Enter all the information of your username, email, and password linked to your TikTok account and tap on Continue. Then tap on Continue and Login and you'll be logged in to your TikTok account on your device. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.